Hello everyone. Let's start question number 27 today. The questions from question number 27 are about guarantee of profits to partners. Okay, that means the one or two partner must be getting guarantee from other partners or from a particular partner. So, Amit, Sumit and Samiksha are in partnership sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. Samiksha's share in profit has been guaranteed by Amit and Sumit both to be a minimum of rupees 8,000. Profits for the year ended March 31st, 2006 was rupees 36,000. Divide profit among the partners. Okay, a simple question. Just we have to remember that first of all, whenever we are distributing the profit, the person who's been given the guarantee, we have to solve for that person. We need to know whether the person is getting more or equal to the guarantee amount or less than the guarantee amount. If less, then we'll take the money from the partners who are giving the guarantee, and in which ratio? Amongst the ratio between those partners only. Okay, so let's solve this. Question number 27. So, what we need to make? We need to make a profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, the format is ready. There is no need to make the capital accounts. What is the profit here? Profit is 36,000 by and there is no mention of any interest on capital or salary or anything. So, directly the profit will be transferred to the partners. Now, I always told you, whenever we are transferring the profits, first of all we have to solve for that partner who has been given the guarantee. So, the partners are Amit, Sumit and Samiksha. Amit will not solve for him. Sumit also will not solve for him to begin with. We will solve for who? We will solve for Samiksha. Okay. So, Samiksha's share in 36,000 comes to be 1/6, that is 6,000. So, the deficit will be 2,000. Okay. This deficit will be borne by who? Will be borne by Amit and Sumit. So, in which ratio? Let us see, 36,000 multiplied by 3/6, that is 18,000, and 36,000 multiplied by 2/6, that is 12,000. Yeah, so deficit of 2,000 will be borne by this and this in their ratio, and the ratio between these two is 3:2. So, let us solve this. Amit's share, how much is Amit's share? 2,000 multiplied by 3/5, 2,000 is the deficit, so 3/5, so that comes to rupees 1,200, and plus Sumit's share, again 2,000 multiplied by 2/5. Why 3:2? Because the ratio between Amit and Sumit was 3:2. 800 So in this way, madam is getting the entire 8,000. Okay, this is 36,000, the balancing figure. This is total is 36,000. Yeah, Amit Shah minus Samiksha of 1200, that comes to 16,800. Okay, and minus Samiksha's share of rupees 800, that comes to 11,200, and that is our answer. Okay, 16,800, 11,200, and the person, this is Samiksha, is getting both the guarantees. Okay, a simple question. Let's see. Yeah, let's do question number 28. Pinky, Dipati and Kaku are partners sharing profits in the ratio 5:4:1. Kaku is given a guarantee that his share of profit in any given year would not be less than 5,000. So, who is getting the guarantee? Kaku is getting the guarantee. And what is the guarantee amount? 5,000. Deficiency, if any, would be borne by Pinky and Dipti. Both Pinky and Dipti will bear the deficiency, but they have actually mentioned in which ratio they will bear the deficiency. They have told that they will bear equally. If they do not mention this, we would have, if any deficiency would have been there, then we would have divided in 5:4. But now they have told us that it needs to be distributed equally, so we will do that. Profits for the year amounted to rupees 40,000. Record necessary journal entries in the books of the firm showing the distribution of profits. So, in this question, what we have to do? We have to do the journal entries. Okay. So, we will do the journal entries, that is not a problem, but in rough we will make a P&L appropriation account just for our understanding how to divide the profits. Okay. Question 28, working note. Okay, in working note, P&L appropriation account, it is a working note. So, we will just do like this. Okay, by P&L account, how much? 40,000. This 40,000 is to be divided in Pinky, Deepti and Kaku. To profit transfer to capital account. Okay, outer column we already know the amount will be 40,000, no one else. Yeah, then Pinky 40,000 multiplied by 5/10 equals to 20,000. Dipati 40,000 multiplied by 4/10, that comes to 16,000, and Kaku 40,000 multiplied by 1/10, that comes to 4,000. The guarantee was of what? Guarantee was of 5,000. So, plus Pinky guarantee, how much? 1,000, because no 500. Why? Total guarantee was 1,000, and Dipati's guarantee also 500, because they are bearing equally. Okay, minus Kaku's guarantee. How we calculated? 1000 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So, this comes to 15,500. This comes to minus Kaku's guarantee, (1000) multiplied by 1 by 2, that is 500, that is 19,500. Okay. Now, the working note is done. We know who will get how much: 19,500, 15,500 and 5,000. Now, let us do the journal entries. So, we will do the journal entries over here. Yeah. First of all, the first journal entry is transferring this P&L here. Okay. This P&L appropriation is getting credited and this is getting debited. So, P&L account debit rupees how much? 40,000 to P&L appropriation account 40,000. So, we have transferred the profits. Now, what is and now the profits will be transferred to whom? To the partners, and directly you can just do P&L appropriation account debit 40,000 to Pinky capital to Vipati's capital to Kaku's capital 19,500, 15,500, 5,000. That's it. The two journal entries, because we did all the calculation here, the journal entries are just a formality. Okay. So, this is our question number 28. Let us do question number 29. Abhay, Siddharth and Kusum are partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. Kusum is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as per share in the profits. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by Siddharth only. The middle one, Siddharth only. Profits for the year ending 31st March 2006 and 7 are 40,000 and 60,000 respectively. Prepare P&L appropriation account. So, for 2 years we have to make 40,000 one year and 60,000 second year. For the year ended, this is March, right? Okay, let's see. Let's bring down the profits for 2006. This year the profit was 40,000 if I remember correctly. Yeah. So to profit transfer to capital account, Abhay, Siddharth, Kusum. Abhay, Siddharth, Kusum. We know there is no other adjustment, so the 40,000 will be the balancing figure. That will be the total. Yeah, let's see. The ratio between them was how much? 3 is to 2 is to 1? No. 5 is to 3 is to 2. 5 is to 3 is to 2. So 40,000, 5 by 10 equals to 20,000. He is chill because he does not have to do anything. 40,000 multiplied by 3 by 10, that comes to 12,000, and 40,000 multiplied by 2 by 10, that comes to 8,000. Yes, and the guarantee was of 10,000. Guarantee given to this person was of 10,000. So how much deficiency? Deficiency is of 2,000. So plus, and who will bear? Only Siddharth will bear. Siddharth's guarantee of rupees 2,000. No ratio, nothing is required. So he is getting, Kusum is getting 10,000 and minus Kusum so 20,000, 10,000 and 10,000. This is our answer for this year. Let's see, we have to make for 2077 also. So let's make for 2007. Yeah, let's make for 2007. This time 60,000. So to profit transfer to capital account, entire 60,000 will be given. The balancing figure we know 60,000 totaling. Let's see individually how much everyone is getting. Let's find out. So, Abhay, yeah, 60,000 multiplied by 5 by 10, 30,000. Other one was Siddharth, 60,000 60,000 multiplied by 3 by 10, that comes to 18. And Kusum, 60,000 multiplied by 2 by 10, that comes to 12. Now, because it is more than the guarantee amount, Siddharth will not give any money. Kusum is already getting more than what she was promised. Okay, so the question is over. We'll do the other questions in our next video. Thank you.